What's the best thing you have ever said in an interview? I applied for a junior developer position at this tech startup. The job listing said 2 to 3 years experience required. But during the interview, this guy Mark kept hammering me about not having enough experience. How can you possibly handle complex projects with only 3 years of coding? He asked, scrolling through my portfolio with his bored look. I've been coding for 15 years. Then he opened one of my projects, a website I'd built for a local nonprofit. Pretty basic stuff, he sniffed. I could code this in my sleep. That's when I noticed something familiar about their company website on his screen. I leaned forward and smiled. Hey Mark, isn't that my code you're using? He froze. Turns out 6 months ago, I'd posted a free template on GitHub that their company had downloaded and used for their entire website. They hadn't even bothered to change my comments in the code. I can explain, he started, but I cut him off. No need. I'm actually flattered that someone with 15 years of experience found my basic code good enough to use. Should we talk salary now? They offered me the senior position instead. Mark doesn't do interviews anymore.